We're now working at the edges of our leprechaun costume. We're putting the finishing touches on our masterpiece of green. And that, one of the latest touches we're going to be putting on here, some necklaces, beads. Now these don't have to necessarily be, overtly feminine necklaces. Hey, if you're a girl, go to town on any type of green necklaces that you have. But if you're a guy, some good old green beads will definitely work. Get the job done. Again, it's just something else green we can add on top of our shirt area, just make it a little more interesting, a little more like, whoa, what's going on over there? And green beads are a great, nice little shiny way to get that done. Now, beads are not only associated with Mardi Gras, actually no. They are associated with a whole bunch of different holidays and observances. St. Patty's Day in increasing years has had these start to show up more and more often, these colorful beads. They're not exactly for the same purpose of Mardi Gras, but they can actually really fill out your costume in a really nice economic fashion. You can put 2 on, you can put 20 on, but it'll be a nice little ribbon of green right around your neck for your crazy leprechaun costume.